Hello everybody, have a beautiful day. I hope you all doing great. Today in this video I want to share with you how you can grow Japanese plum or Loquat tree. They are really tasty and delicious fruit. They belongs to tropical weather, but it has a few variety and you can grow them almost in most of area. I have grown this fruit tree in zone 6B. We have no just cold and freezing winter. We have a hot and dry summer. It is late of October and we got first rain after almost 4 months. As you can see, I'm gonna to collecting seed like this, but when you open the fruit, be careful, don't damage the seed. Collecting seed like this and wash them and let them dry out, and as you can see, after few hours you can peel out them really easy. When you plant them with the peel, it germinate will be around the 1 month, but when you peel out the seed, it almost be around the 2 or 3 weeks. After 2 or 3 weeks you will have a small plant and germinate will be faster with the peel out the seed. As you can see, I'm gonna to peel out big seed and I recommend to you plant the big seed. Those small seed can germinate, but my recommend is a plant big one. As you can see, and you know, always I'm using my soil. I make this soil new. This is a compost with a rice husk. Rice husk has a good nutrients and it can supply some of those nutrients plants need to grow, such as calcium and other nutrients. You can mix them with your soil and add them to your plant. I'm gonna to mix it with my soil and I'm gonna to peel out the cups. As you can see, this is old cups. I don't throw away. It belongs to past my seedlings. I'm gonna to wash them and reusing them. If you have cup like these, don't throw away them. Reusing these cups is good for our environment. So let me to fill out these and I will continue the video. As you can see, I fill out the cups and you can see I'm gonna to plant the seed on surface the soil. You don't need to plant them so deep. They are really similar to avocado seed, and because of these I'm telling you, peel out the seed is a help for germinate will be faster. For each cup I use 2 seed and I'm gonna to use this seed and I will share with you at the future and which one can sprouting faster, which method works better. without peel out the seed, it takes a long time, almost over a month. You can see I cover it just a little bit, keep it moist and in warm place. They will start to come up after 2 weeks. You can see I'm gonna to water it like this for all of them. As you can see, this is after 3 weeks. They are sprouting and growing like this. You can see the leaves are really beautiful. This fruit tree has a beautiful leaves, and I really love the fruit and the fruit tree. As you can see, these cups are those I plant the seed without peeling. You can see that one is sprouting, but after 2 weeks dry out. About this one, let me to show you something. If they dry out, don't throw away your seedlings, because it can germinate again, it can sprouting and regrow again. You can see, let me to take out these seed, and you can see it has 2 new shoots. They are really similar to avocado seed. If you have growing avocado seed, can grow this one too. They are really similar to each other for sprouting and growing. And about watering, you can see it has 2 new shoots on it. This tiny seed and the small seed is a really amazing. It can regrow 2 or 3 times. Honestly, just you can see these in some of fruit tree or some of the seed, not all of them. For example, I just see on avocado and loquat, and nothing else. I never seen on any other fruit tree seed. They can regrow again after drying. As you know, I have growing them in indoor and under artificial light. I have no sunlight in my grow room, but my Loquat seedlings and other seedlings doing really good under artificial light. You can see this is another one I have. I plant some seed and I give it to my family and friends. The leaves is really beautiful and they can grow really fast. Let the soil dry out, then water it. And after few years you can have this size of fruit tree. This one has almost 4 years. It grew really good. 2 years it was indoor in a small container. If you watch my past video, you can see it was really in a small container. When I transplanted, as you can see from the base to top, it got new shoots, new leaves. It's doing really good, and I'm really happy about this. This is my papaya, and I have growing this tropical fruit tree in this zone. They are doing really good, and it is really satisfactory for me. I hope you like and enjoy with this video. Thanks for watching me. As you can see, they are in container. I don't plant them in the ground. So you can grow them in container too. Thanks for watching me. Have a beautiful day. Keep growing. Bye for now. See you in next